Hello everybody, especially my students who are now at the moment at home and trying to study themselves at home. For their betterment, I have come here with a class on changing sentence, and this class is designed for the students of class 9 and 10. Okay, follow me and listen to what I say. Look at the whiteboard. I have written two sentences here. First one is, unless you study seriously, you cannot make a good result. This is a complex sentence and you are asked to turn this sentence into simple and compound. What will you do? How you can think, and what is the grammatical rule? Well, remember, if there is unless in a complex sentence, you have to use without at the beginning of the sentence to make it simple. Then you have to add ing to the principal verb, and then you have to write the extension of the subordinate clause, and finally you have to write the principal clause without any change. The complete change is, without studying seriously, you cannot make a good result. Then compound, you have to make this sentence compound with the help of conjunction or. Study well, or you cannot make a good result. Once again, I am repeating for you. If there is unless in the complex sentence, you will use conjunction or in the middle of the sentence to make that sentence compound one. Well, I am writing the answer of this question for you. Simple without studying seriously, you cannot make a good result. This is complex, this is simple. Now I will turn it into compound sentence here. First of all, you have to write the subordinate clause in imperative form. Study well, study seriously. Now use the conjunction or you cannot make a good result. I have written another sentence like the first one to make you clear. Unless we learn English, we cannot communicate with the foreigners. These two sentences are similar, so you can change this sentence following the first sentence, like without learning without learning English, we cannot communicate with the foreigners. Now I will turn it into compound sentence, but there is no space here. I have to write at the top of this whiteboard. If you follow the first sentence, you will easily realize the similarity between the two sentences. Again, we have to use or as a conjunction to make this sentence into compound. We should learn English now. You have to use the conjunction or we cannot communicate with the foreigners. Once again, I am repeating the grammatical rule for you. If there is unless in the complex sentence, you will use without at the beginning of the sentence, then you will use ing in the principal verb to make that sentence simple. And if you want to make that sentence compound, you have to use conjunction or in the middle of that sentence. Well, I would like to write some other sentences so that you can understand it easily. Let me write some other sentences. I hope you are following me and watching me attentively. We are learning changing sentence of simple, complex, compound. Now, sentence 3. You cannot catch the train. You cannot catch the train unless you walk fast. You cannot catch the train unless you walk fast. This is a complex sentence and unless is the conjunction here, but in the first sentence unless was used at the beginning of that sentence. Now unless takes the middle position in this sentence. Remember, unless can be used at the beginning of a complex sentence or at the middle of the complex sentence. But when you turn this sentence into simple, you have to add ing form in the verb of the subordinate clause. That means the sentence which is after the conjunction. That means you walk fast. You have to add ing here without walking. That means you cannot catch the train without walking fast, or without walking fast you cannot catch the train. both are correct. You can write either of them. Now compound. This sentence should be written at the beginning of that sentence, of that compound sentence, in imperative form. Walk fast or you cannot catch the train. Once again, listen to me. Walk fast or you cannot catch the train. Well, let me write down the answer of this sentence so that you can write simple. Without walking fast, you cannot catch the train. You cannot catch the train. Or you can write, you cannot catch the train without walking fast. You can write the principal clause at the beginning of this sentence. Compound. Walk fast, or you cannot catch the train. One thing I would like to say here, unless equal to if not. Unless means if not. So if there is if not, you can do as you are doing here in the sentences 1, 2 and 3. Well, let me write down such a sentence where there is if not. If you do not run fast, you cannot win the race. This is a complex sentence and the conjunction is here if, and I have already said if not equal to unless. So you can change this sentence following the other sentences I have already written or taught earlier. To turn this sentence into simple, you have to begin with without running fast, you cannot win the race. You cannot win the race. This is a simple sentence. We have used without like the previous sentences we have learned today. There may have difficulty to watch my handwriting. That is why I am pronouncing the sentence more than once, so that you can cope with me, listening to me. This is complex sentence. This is simple. Here I will make it compound using the conjunction or. Run fast conjunction or you cannot win the race. Dear students, today I have discussed changing sentence, a simple complex compound where there is unless as a conjunction, and also discussed the grammatical rule. I don't know how much you have been benefited from my class, but I am trying my best to give you something during this crisis, as we are separated from each other for a long time and we don't know when it will come to an end. And again, I thank all of you to listen to me and watch me. Before leaving you, I have a request. Please subscribe my channel. In that case, it will be easier for you to find out the location of my class. If you like or subscribe my channel, you will easily find out my class and you can watch my classes. Once again, I thank all of you and pray for you so that you can remain at home with safety. Thank you.